Something I've also noticed is that you often emphasize the value of experiential learning. What exactly is experiential learning?
Okay, so experiential learning is like learning by doing. So usually when I was studying, when I was doing my engineering courses, no, எனக்கு theory classes தனியாக இருக்கும், practical classes தனியாக இருக்கும். Say for example, theoretical classes எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு நடக்குதுன்னா, maybe after 3 days or 4 days of time, I'll be having my practical classes. So right when I enter into my practical classes, no, நான் என்னென்ன theory படிச்சதுன்னு எனக்கு half அப்பயே மறந்துருக்கும். So I'll not have a connect between the theory and laboratory. ரெண்டுமே ரெண்டு different aspect-ஆக இயங்கிட்டு இருக்கும். But actually it is not so. Only when you learn by doing, that particular learning will have its value. அது நீங்கள் மறக்கவும் மாட்டீங்க. So that is why it is not like we deliver the concepts at class and you learn. It is not that way. It is like we do. Together we do. Faculty and the students, நம்ம ஒரு விஷயத்தை செஞ்சு பார்த்து அதில் இருந்து தான் நம்ம கற்றுக்குவோம். So that is what we mean by experiential learning. You experience what it is.
Yes, ma'am. I agree to that. It is very useful.
Yeah.